Alright, I got this Leatherman signal I wanted to do an unboxing of. I got the signal because originally I just really wanted a basic Leatherman with the most basic tools, and so I can take it to work. And I was going to get the Skeletal CX because I really wanted a carabiner so I can have it on my belt loop and just pull it out when I need it and not in like a case. But when I got to REI, I saw that the Skeletal, the pliers were really small compared to this one. It's like the same color scheme. Actually, it's a little bit different. But this is just like a bigger version of the Signal and also more tools. So I got this one and I wanted to do an unboxing of it. So it's got 19 tools. I'm sure you can read them all out, but it's a needle nose pliers, regular pliers, premium replaceable wire cutters, premium replaceable hard wire cutters, wire stripper, 420 HC combo knife, saw, hammer, safety whistle, ferrocerium rod, diamond coated sharpener, all with thread loop, bit driver, can opener, bottle opener, 1/4 inch hex bit driver, 1/4 inch wrench, 3/16 inch wrench, and carabiner. So yeah, like I said, I wanted to stick with the minimum one, but this is just it's all around, right? So why not get a good one? But usually try to keep these open or nice and clean when I open them, so hopefully I can do that with this one because I do like saving the packaging. Warranty information, all that, and no sticker. But this is the tool. This is probably the most important feature that I wanted because I don't want to have a little harness for it or case for it. I just wanted it to clip on my belt loop, so really happy about this. It's got a belt clip or a pocket clip too. Alright, let's go through the tools. So laying it out like this. One is your needle nose pliers. I'm just reading off of this sheet right here. Needle nose pliers. Two regular pliers. Three is replaceable wire cutters, and you can see it's like a little Torx bit right here that makes it replaceable. 4 is down here. Premium replaceable hard wire cutters. So these are the wire ones, and then down here this little where it widens up, that's the hard wire cutters. 5, the wire stripper. Let's see where that is. That looks like the awl. So you've got your wire stripper right here. Right there. Let me see. Zoom in a little bit. That's the combo knife. Oh, your lock is right here. Your saw is on this side. Hammer right here. Safety whistle is on the saw side. Let's see. I'm gonna pull this boy out. So that's your safety whistle. There's a little latch right here that I pulled to open it. Let me see. Well, there's that. It's plastic. The fusarium rod. Where is that? Number 10. Oh, it's the back of the whistle. Okay, that makes sense. Diamond coated sharpener is this. Unless I'm reading it wrong, but no, it's gotta be it. All with thread loop was over here, I believe. I'm sure there's an easier way to take these out, but I'm just going. I saw it. Oh, wait, no. This was the all with the thread loop right here. Bit driver is this right here. Let's see. Okay, it's just a pull. And you got Phillips and flathead. Oh, there's a safety for that bit. So you just push this in. Takes the bit in. Can opener was right here. Bottle opener right here. Let's see where that, oh, the hex bit driver, 1/4" hex bit driver. You got 1/4" wrench. I think it's on either side, so you got the 1/4" hex bit driver. And the wrench. Let's see, 3/16 wrench. Because it's two different sizes, you can see in there that. Let's see. I'm trying to focus it. Two different sizes. And then last you got your carabiner. So that's the Leatherman. This one is not spring loaded. So you got to get your pliers set down like that. And then you can use them as pliers. And yeah, folds up nice and easy. Will go in your pocket. I'll be using this, but yeah, obviously like a little pocket knife clip too, similar to a pocket knife clip. There you go. Leatherman signal.